Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. Always appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying life. Today is a little work day for me. As usual, I'm always doing something on the car or out there with you guys. Today I want to change the axle, the whole entire axle on this side and the, what you call it, the right side. I bought a used one, the genuine used one, which I'm going to clean up now and then put it on this car. So as you can see, I jacked up the car already and about to pull. So guys, one thing I must remind you, once you're gonna pull your CV joint, the axle itself, remember to bust this bolt before you jack it up off of the ground. Because once you jack it up off of the ground, you won't be able to bust it again. Right, so bust it when it's down, then you jack up the car. Alright, so first thing guys, you're gonna wanna pull the center bolt there, and then you wanna also pull off the two 17 bolt from the caliper at the back there, so you can have your caliper loose from the thing. You take this off. After you take off the disc, you can start by pulling those two other bolts under there on the axle, up on the axle there, and then once you do that and you pull out from the center of the wheel bearing, then you can pull your axle out and you get on the way. So guys, guess what happened to me now? After I did all that work and changed the axle, I didn't even bother video all of it because I realized that my ball joint on that side also is gone. The boot burst and everything is splashed out of that. So I end up had to go look a ball joint and going to do the work again. Well, not the axle, but I'm going to change the ball joint on it. Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, guys. So this is a minute after. Yeah, a minute, I would say. So everything is now installed on the car. I just wanted to make sure that everything works well. You know, since I bought the axle used, so that is perfect. It runs fine. I was kind of skeptical if, you know, buying used parts sometimes how it works, but it works perfect. Everything is good, and it's actually a genuine axle. So changing it wasn't, you know, it was okay. Yeah, and I also changed the ball joint, as you can see, and the car runs much better now. So I'm just closing out the video because I've been on and off. But thank you for joining me. There's something else coming with my car. I am planning a big change for the car that I probably get to it in this week. But yes guys, thanks again for watching and continue to support. I appreciate that. Ciao.